Hi, everybody, and welcome to Truewants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. Now, we film live here. I do not edit. I prepare and do as much as I can ahead of time because as soon as I know something, I want you to know it too so that we can be in the know together. So we've already done the choice for next month, which is January, where at the beginning of the month, we had the opportunity to not only know prior to, because of this channel and all of my research that I do, the information in reference to what choice was going to be for the month of January. So hopefully you've already done that already. That's the Tarte Shape Tape contour. And then we also on choice day that opened up for that month of January, that already opens up the month prior to, which was this month in December. We did have the opportunity to see all the add-ons and go through all of that information as well. Now, the earliest that I've ever seen Allure do this, they sent down an email about a week ago, and I was waiting for a little bit more information, and then I decided don't think I'm going to get the rest of the information till the end of this month, which a lot of us are going to be a little busy around that time. So I wanted to make sure to get at least this video up prior to, so that we could know what they have in store for us for the month of February, because they're doing something more unique. They are doing something from a brand that I'm not familiar with. So if you're not familiar with my channel, because I'm a paying customer like majority of you, I always want to know a little bit more information on the brand, as well as the deal, as well as the actual item that usually we get the choice of a shade. This time around, it is going to be a unique product that is in the fragrance category, but it is a solid fragrance. So like I said, I didn't know enough information on this. So I wanted to sit down and do a little bit more research and then help each other out in reference to the choices. And then of course, you guys will share in the comments down below if you know any other information or which one you are gearing towards. I always want to know that as well, because that's what this channel is all about. I call it the water cooler because we share information with each other, and Truewants has become that place where we do spoilers on the subscription boxes that I'm enjoying, as well as update each other on other information. I also saw some information in reference to Macy's. January, believe it or not, is going to be their last box. They're not going to be in the subscription world anymore. So I already canceled that just a month or so prior to, but this is unbelievable that that's one of the ones that a lot of us started with. So Allure is really like on that same level as when I started my Macy's, my Allure, and my Ipsy and FabFitFun. And now this channel is really down to the Allure, the FabFitFun, and then everything else Ipsy. So in reference to the Allure, let's get into some of the information that I can share with you that I've been able to find out a little bit more just based on the research that I did on the brand and the actual two choices that we're going to have on the scent of this from this brand that is called Cadilla, S-I-D-I-A. So let's get into that right now. They also shared some other information that I found. Give me one sec. Let me just pause this for a sec. And then I just want to pull up some paperwork that I have. One more sec. Okay, so remember now, this is for the month of February. We don't know when choice date is, and we haven't gotten the full spoilers yet for the month of January. So just this, like I said, they've never done this where they've dropped something so early, like a couple of months ahead of time. So it's giving us some time to do a little bit of research. So like I said, we're going to share in this video some information about the brand, and then we're going to go through the two scents in the top notes and all of that so we can know a little bit more information so we can find out about it. Because if you're familiar with this brand, please make sure to share. I think I've only in my world have used a product like this, which is a solid fragrance, many years ago, and I can't even tell you which brand it was. That's how far back it goes. But they also mentioned in an email that, and you'll have to correct me if I'm wrong or if I read it incorrectly, normally we're promised 3 full sizes in our boxes, and in the month of February, I think they mentioned that we're going to have 5. And the hints are it's going to be skincare, a liner, some cuticle care, and treatments. And then we also know this choice, which is also going to be fragrance as well. Now, in reference to this brand, this is, they're saying, a modern fragrance and body care brand that is founded by the person whose name is Erin Kleinberg. And it inspired by her grandmother's, whose name is Cadilla, S-I-D-I-A. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. And they built around self-care rituals and plant-powered ingredients as well as the scents. Now, this founder, who is Erin, she's a Canadian entrepreneur, and she has created and launched this brand to honor the lessons of her late grandmother, who emphasized self-care as well as humor and grace. And the philosophy on the brand is rooted in the idea of coming home to yourself. And the fragrance and body care is intentional rituals and nurture both the body and the spirit. They have a signature approach. They say that the products they use as with always a proprietary complex, which they actually trademarked with the grandmother's name, Cadilla, and is a blend of plant powdered ingredients designed to enrich your skin while delivering those sensual experiences. Now, this here, the brand normally has, I think, more options, but what I was able to find on their website, believe it or not, are the two that we are being given by Allure. And this one here is going to be the solid fragrance, but on their website, they do have body mist. They have the solid perfumes, which is what we're getting introduced to. They also have candles and serums and creams and exfoliants and all of that. But what we're being introduced to, this brand, at least I am, from this beautiful fragrance family, is going to be the solid perfumes. Now, the two scents that they are giving us are ones that are called Braless and Soaked. And they're saying they are portable, buildable fragrances designed for everyday wear. Each offers a distinct mood. Now, the Braless, they're saying, is a warm, sensual, and comforting, while Soaked, which is the other option, is a fresh, reflective, and invigorating. So the Braless solid perfume, they're saying, is meant to embody the liberation and comfort, like unwinding at the end of the day. And they're saying the top notes are going to be black pepper, Spanish rosemary, and coconut. The middle note is going to be violet, black tea, peony, cedar, and orris. And then the base notes are going to be patchouli, papyrus, vanilla cream, musk, and leather. They say the mood of this is a creamy musky with a slightly spicy. They're saying it is sensual yet cozy, evoking the feeling of a slipping into a cashmere or shedding layers to relax. They're saying it comes in a sleek, travel-friendly compact that makes it easy to carry and reapply throughout the day. The ingredients are plant oils like jojoba, as well as olive fruit oil, vitamin E, and waxes for smooth application. And they're saying the experience will be a buildable intensity. It can be worn subtle, or you can layer it and layer it again for a stronger presence. Now, that is one of the scents. The other one is called Soaked, and that they're saying is inspired by the dawn and fresh ideas. It is a fragrance that feels like stepping into a rain-drenched hinoki shower. The top notes on this is going to be grapefruit, spearmint, thyme, and juniper. And the middle notes are jasmine, citrus, cypress, and cedar leaf. They're saying the base notes, again, are going to have patchouli as the first ingredient, the first scent, and then sandalwood, pine, and fresh musk. They're saying this here, they're saying that the mood should be bright, green, and slightly woody, and it balances freshness with depth, making it ideal for sparkling creativity or grounding yourself. And it is same compact as the Braless, and both of them are vegan, cruelty-free, free of sulfates, parabens, silicones, and all of that. And the experience is, again, layerable and skin-friendly, offering a refreshing yet sophisticated scent that evolves throughout the day. The price on these units are $48 each. It is a solid perfume in a portable compact, as I mentioned, perfect for travel or daily touch-ups. They're saying it is skin-friendly because it's free from any of the harsh additives. It's also enriched with jojoba oil and vitamin E for a gentle application. And the philosophy behind all of both these scents, it reflects Cadilla's, her self-care and intentional rituals. She's saying Braless for unwinding, which I think is great, and Soaked for renewal. And it's a great way, if you have in your mind, the first thing I know when I get home is take off the bra. And so the Braless is what's calling my name right now. But I'm also a girl that really loves that whole ritual of the bath at the end of the day where soaked is falling in. So once again, they're making it not easy for us to have those choices. But in essence, braless, they're saying, is a cozy, sensual evening fragrance, while soaked will be your fresh, invigorating daytime companion. So you'll have to share with me where you are leaning, because your voice is always one that I listen to. So I want to know a little bit more. So I have a couple of other pictures that I'm going to be able to show you here that, as you can see here, it is a solid. But when they have a second picture that I wanted to make sure you guys can see, that it has like almost a creamy texture to it. So it'll be easy for us to apply and then reapply throughout the day if you want to make it intense. And if you, we have so many people on this channel that have 2 accounts, and I'm sure now you're happy that you do, so you won't have to choose between the 2. You'll be able to choose one in one account and one in the other. So once again, here's the beautiful picture in reference to Flawless. This has the vanilla, the cedar. They also have coconut in here, which they didn't say it in another area that I looked at, as well as white peony. And this is the one that is braless. And then the other one that is soaked is the one that has juniper, it has cypress, as well as they're saying it is sensuous. So those are all of the spoilers that I have in reference to and learning a little bit more about what they have in the future for us for the month of February. So you'll have to sit down and share with me what your thoughts are on this, because like I said, I always look forward to seeing you guys in the comments, because that is my lifeline to you, and it also helps me with all of my decisions. And hopefully this information helped you make a decision. If not, and you're on the fence like I am, a lot of times it comes down to the day of. But we have time now, so you could do your own research as well and tell me what you have found. And if you've had the opportunity to use other solid perfumes, give us your experience on that as well. And that's it for this video, guys. So remember, this is going to be for February, and hopefully we will get a little bit more information of what they have in store for us for next month, besides the future spoiler that we already have and shared on this channel, as well as the add-ons. Hopefully closer or right after or that time period of Christmas, we'll get some more answers in reference to what those reveals are going to be, and I'll make sure to share those with you as well. But right now, this is for the month of February. So tell me if this is something that is of interest to you. Do you like getting perfumes in your boxes? As well as, I would love to know your thoughts on the Macy's box being no more as well. So if you are watching this all the way to the end, simply write solid, and then I'll know that you've watched this video all the way to the end, because this is going to be a solid perfume choice of 2 different scents that we're going to have the opportunity to choose from. And that's it for this video, guys. So everybody, continue to stay safe and well. If you have some time, I hope you will catch up on a lot of the videos that we've had the opportunity to explore a little differently this month, where I've had the opportunity to show my face a little bit more, some get ready with me, some makeup of the days, and so on and so forth, and trying to do filming in different areas where I'm able to share a little bit different type of video, just to keep us all on our toes and keeping the creativity alive. I really want to know what your thoughts are on those videos as well. As always, happy holidays to everybody. Continue to stay safe and well, and I'll see you all soon again in the next one. Take care, everybody, and bye for now.